Okay, so I want to show you aerated static compost bin. This has been on for maybe a month, if not. I don't even know if it's been on for a month. So this is not fully composted. The top layer I kept putting poop in even though I wasn't supposed to because I needed somewhere to put it. I was trying not to fill this up yet. We're trying to catch up, honestly. So you could see that the top layer is not composted. That's my fault. However, if you look at these bottom layers, look how nicely composted that is, considering this is not like fully, it did not spend the full cycle here. Unfortunately, we have to move these. Now that I've painted them, I want to move them a little closer together. So we're just going to take this out now. We're just cleaning up. But I wanted to show you what it looks like. It's pretty neat to see that it's working. The blower, which is on the other side, goes off for 10 seconds or 15 seconds or something every 30 minutes or something to that effect. And it's kept the compost pretty warm. I think I'll actually maybe change the settings a little bit because it seems like it could be warmer now that it's getting a little colder out. I think the compost isn't as warm, so it's not composting down as quickly. However, you can see it's done a pretty good job. And I wanted to show you the progress here. So these are my two other bins. We're going to move them, put them in a better spot, get them close together so all three are running. But I'm really excited about this because producing compost faster is good for me, and it gives us a place to put the poop where it won't be unsightly. We usually try to pick up, this is really muddy, but we try to pick up the field. So we've got some poop in the field now because today's our cleanup day. But cleaning up the field is really helpful. That was our original manure pile, so we need to go ahead and move some of that. We will probably spread that because I don't think I can have the 3 bins running and compost that down as well. I have a choice because these 3 bins are probably enough to keep an even cycle with the 4 horses we have for the pasture. So yeah, I just wanted to show you a quick look at that. I'm going to do a thorough blog post and more information on the compost bins and how we've built them and everything once I've got them completely set up. But for now, this is what we got. And again, like, super pleased with this considering how short a time it was on. We still were letting moisture in because I haven't built a roof yet. The weather change. This is actually really excellent. I'm pretty excited. So I think I can actually, maybe not, I think I can spread this bottom so I can restart with a new batch of manure. And spreading this in the field versus spreading raw manure that hasn't been composted down is better for your soil. It's also less likely to have worms in it and all this good stuff. So it'll help the grass grow better instead of weeds, hopefully. So yeah, alrighty. I hope this was helpful. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye.